In this video, I'm going to share with you that's going to make you $20 every day. So I'm just going to switch to my laptop screen where I get to walk you guys through how everything is done so you can also make money online. So let's go. You have received a new payment and you can see right here it says this company right here has sent me 21.22 USD. So I'm just going to do a screen reload right here so you get to know that this is actually real money, and what you're going to see or learn in this video is actually real stuff. And as you can see right here, it still says company right here has sent me this amount of funds and everything should remain the same. So I'm just gonna proceed. Go to Fiverr search bar and put in Kindle ebook formatting. It's going to bring lots of results. And if I actually scroll down a bit here, you're going to see that lots of people are actually making money selling out these services here on Fiverr. And you can see this person here is actually selling at $40 and he has made over 251 sales. This person over here as well is selling at $25 and he has made over 96 sales. And if I scroll down a bit, you're going to see that this person right here is selling at $5 and he has made over 1,000 plus sales. And this person as well is selling at $15 and he has made over 65 sales right there. And you can see that lots of people are actually making money from these services right here. And that's because this service is now high in demand, and people are actually making money from this because they know that there are more buyers requesting these services here on Fiverr. So what you can do is just check out what these guys are doing and also replicate what they are doing, because if they are making money from selling out this gig, it means this gig is in demand, and you can also do the same to also make money from selling out these services here on Fiverr. And if I go to my Payoneer email right here, you can see right here it says this payment was actually sent to me by Fiverr. So you can also get these sales, get this money coming in every single day.